We will read our affirmation and we will place our candle in the shape of the 8 rubbery that is behind us. So number 1 will say, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light is for those in governments and NGOs who have the daunting task to educate and to give us all inspiration. This little light is for those professionals and family members, leaders and council people living with HIV and AIDS. This little light is to revive the broken trust in families that make husbands and wives infidelity cause infection with HIV. This little light is for breaking the silence about the mistake and bringing it into the open. This little light is for asserting the rights of those living with HIV and AIDS. This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little light is for those daughters and sons who are living with HIV and AIDS. This little light is also to dispel darkness of the many myths about the illness. This little light is for those aware that we want to create about this problem and dispelling the darkness and the lack of knowledge. This little light is for those who already succumbed and died from AIDS. This little light of mine is for those who are tirelessly to find a cure for AIDS. This little light is for sympathy and support we will give to those living with HIV and AIDS. This little light says that we will scare the bestialist face because we have eliminated our past. This little light is for those women who were raped and left with a permanent reminder of HIV and AIDS. This little light is for the commitment for the women of this nation to the campaign to prevent AIDS. Light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. One day I'm gonna let it shine on Tuesday. I'm gonna let it shine on Wednesday. I'm gonna let it shine. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine.
Video hả? Đây. Vừa mới đi 맞아. 그래가지고 값을 이렇게 주는 거죠.